All right, friends, breaking into Splash Wines. You can order online. They had some amazing deals in the last few weeks. I've never tried them out before and excited to see what they have here. Lots of wine here in this box. Weighs over 50 pounds. Let's see what we got. Banner here. They threw in a lot of different information about their brand, where you can follow them, and they actually give you $25 when you recommend somebody. So if you're buying, you might as well connect with a friend. We went for the Bordeaux and then some Brut. A couple different promos here with some partners. Okay guys, so I had ordered 18 bottles for the holidays. I figured just do it all in one go versus picking up the store and seeing kind of what's there. And I went for their Bordeaux, something we really like to do during the holidays. Let's see what we got here. Ton of different varieties. Some I've seen on the shelves before, some are new to me. It's awesome, 2019. As you can see, we have a ton of different options in here. Love some of these labelings, very classy, perfect for holidays. A lot of them have a different mix on the back. This one's Merlot Cabernet, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot Cab Franc, so a good variety of different blend. Then we had to go with some sparkling. Great deal to include in your order, so got a few of those. A little bit of info about Splash Wines. They are direct to consumer online. You can order through them. They are a family-owned company and have done it for 3 generations. One of the things I like and why I personally ordered from them, this isn't a sponsored post, is because they only mark up their wines about 15% maximum. They can curate bundles for you, which I did here with the Bordeaux for the holiday season, or you can make your own, and obviously they offer subscriptions for those who want recurring and maybe not doing a huge order at once, but order as you need it. So let's pop one of these open and try it out. And so because I have horrible retention, I am going to check this one out on Vivino, Chateau Franc Cardinal. It's a 2019, so it stood out to me. I'd like to try something. Average price on this is $40, and there's no way I paid that. I actually probably paid a quarter of that. People talk about it is leather, earthy smoke, oak tobacco cigar, dark fruit, plum, and blackberry. Okay, so this sounds something that I would like a lot. And it's got a little bit of age on it, which I think is gonna be good. Actually smells really fruity off the top. Get the leather right away. Very full flavor and definitely drying out my palate, but still very like fruity and lush. This is a 2019 Bordeaux, 70% Merlot, 24% Cab Franc, and 6 Malbec. I really like it. It's a 2019.
Oh, that's nice.
What's nice about it?
It's dry, it's got some tannin and acidity. So it's making my mouth water and feel dry at the same time.
Okay, let me see how much I paid for all of this, 18 bottles. Okay, Jazz, what do you think about the Splash Wines?
Nice.
Obviously it's not their wines, but it's a collection of wines. Like I said, they only mark up 15% of their price, so you're getting a great deal. So is this wife approved? It was basically $139 shipped to our doorstep for 18 bottles of wine, some of them upwards of $40 per wine, average price of about $7.50 per bottle.
Wow, I would definitely say wife approved.
Wife approved, cheers.